Welcome to Suite 4 tutorial for beginners. Today I will describe about string interpolation. String interpolation is a fancy name for what is actual every simple thing combining variable and constant inside string. To clear out the code, you just write this is the name Arif and print the variable. So if we want to print out a message to the user that including the name, string interpolation is what makes easy. Just write a backslash, then open parenthesis, then your code, then a close parenthesis like this. So I write the string interpolation bar my bar message. So this is string sign, double quotation. Welcome to Swift Swift 4. Here we can set the name tutorial. So in this string we will set our variable name. At first set the backslash and then open parenthesis, then the variable name, suppose this variable name, and close the parenthesis, close parenthesis. So this is the string interpolation. In string we can set a variable. So now we can print the message playground is running. So this message, welcome to Suite 4 tutorial. If we not set the interpolation backslash first parenthesis or second parenthesis, then what will be output? So this message output is welcome to Swift 4 name. This is exactly string is output display. If we use the backslash first parenthesis and then the variable and then the uh, close parenthesis, then this variable will be print and variable will be act as variable in string. This is string interpolation. In string we can use another variable. Title for beginner. So we can use more variable. Suppose here we can use another variable is title. playground is running. So here is the showing welcome to suite 4 tutorial for beginners. Welcome to suite 4. This is the variable first interpolation, and this is the for string, and this is the second variable is title. So here is the title, welcome to suite 4 tutorial for beginners. Another way, in this string we can add another string bar. This is the test. We can append the string to another string by plus sign. This is the test. So this is showing welcome to suite for beginner, suite for tutorial for beginner. This is the test is another string, append in string by plus operator. These two string concatenation. This is one string and this is another string. They combine two string by plus sign. So Swift string interpolation is the one of the powerful features of string interpolation is that everything between backslash, first parenthesis and variable and the close parenthesis. It can actually be a full Swift expression. Thank you.